Gonna be southbound if anything.
Oh, he crashed right into it. What was he thinking? What was he thinking? Was he thinking this was a GTA glitch where you could just teleport through the train or something? Like, what it is, YouTube, man? Back with another reaction video today. For I'm saying, man, we had a suspect crashes into a moving train while fleeing from 12. You hear me, man? We gonna see this video talking about obviously this crazy bro crashed into a train. A train. Y'all know what y'all have when I crash on the train on GTA, UBDEAD. We gonna see what happens when it does, and what happens when it happens in real life. You know what I'm saying, man? Y'all, before I start this video, man, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, man, smash that bell. You hear me, man? Let's get it, man.
Stop.
Oh, they on you. Oh, you pulling over?
Got a picture of him.
Oh, you about to pull off? Bust the left. Skirt. Oh, you go.
3134, we gotta do it without stopping.
You gonna bust the right? You gonna bust the right? Yup. Oh, sparks on the ground and everything. Oh, man. Bro, it's not playing. He is getting away from 12.
It's gonna stop. Westbound Park.
Engaged.
Busted left. Oh, water. Oh. Busted right. Hey, look, he getting away though. Hold on. Where he at? Oh, yeah, he got some distance. He got some distance. Hold on.
Give me a sergeant to monitor this. God damn. Sheridan. I'm not gonna catch this.
Sheridan.
Oh, he busting the right? He got his turn signal on? Oh, I thought he had his turn signal on. I'm about to say, what? Bust the right?
Oh, and he's gonna go North Jefferson.
I think this one of them states where they can't, where the police can't do a high-speed chase or actually chase them, and they call for backup to come get him and hit him with the road spikes. I think that's what this is right here. Cause he ain't even trying. Oh God.
Oh, what's it, a white Cadillac? Check out white Cadillac, one Nora Queen Sam. 86.
Hold on. Oh, he gone. He gone. He making distance. He gone. He ain't playing. Oh God. Look, boom. Boom, gone now. You ain't getting him. Yeah, he's gone. There's no way.
3109, 3134 is asking permission. Looks like it went south on Brown.
Speed up, bro. Speed up.
He's southbound Sheridan now.
Well, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If I'm in a chase, right, with somebody, or just 12 in general, you hear me? As soon as I bend the corner, as soon as I know that I make distance for them, and I bend that corner, I'm taking off, bro. You're not catching me. I'm gone. I'm gone. You know what I'm saying? Or am I just delusional? Let me know down below. You know what I mean? Like, what? Where'd he go? Oh, that was a terrible turn. Oh my God.
He's eastbound Phelan now.
Oh, you can 12 catching up now. 12 catching up now. They ain't playing now. Yeah. Hold on. You heard me?
Emily. 34, you okay if I take this?
Right here, man.
Oh, he caught up to him real quick.
Go ahead, it's all yours, northbound Genesee. I got the call.
There he is, right here on the left.
Radio.
Here he is.
As soon as you go, I'm gonna hit his ass.
He ain't gonna hit him.
See northbound Genesee.
Oh yeah, he on him. He ain't getting away. He's making his break. Why he in his break for? Why he in his break for? What is he doing? about to bump
Be
him?
the third.
You about to bump him?
We're gonna be through Cherry approaching Janesville. What do you have for speeds?
Slowing down, getting ready to go right on James.
That's the right. Terrible turn, terrible turn. Go, 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 go. Speed up, speed up.
Well, we're
Over
coming
with,
in
bro.
through Genesee. We're eastbound 3rd, 4th, 50.
Bro, where the Hellcat at? We need a Hellcat, a Scat Pack chase. You know what I'm saying? You ain't getting away in there. I had gave you hope because you had made distance on him, but then you just choked, bro. Your left wheel look like it's about to straight fall off. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, look at it. It look crazy right now. But like, you know what I'm saying?
No traffic.
Oh, that was just the shadow. I'm tripping. Oh, I'm dead.
That's a goddamn corner right there.
Oh, man. Go, 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 go.
Still eastbound 10th, 11. Looks like there's a train up ahead 34. Looks like there's a train up ahead 34.
A train. Oh, is that the train right there?
He's coming
Yeah,
to
that's the
track,
train,
so
look.
yeah, room to stop. Gonna be southbound if anything.
Hey, it's gonna
Oh, he crashed right into it. What was he thinking? What was he thinking? Bro, hold on. What was he thinking? Was he thinking this was a GTA glitch where you could just teleport through the train or something? Like, hold on, look. Look at that. Wow! Bro, what was he thinking? What was he thinking? He's gonna reverse. The train taking him with him. Oh, Lord. How the train dragging him with him, though? Bro, he going with the train. Wow. That's crazy, bro. And he's still reversing, though. No, he stopped. He gave up. He's still driving into the train. Oh, man. Wow, bro. Bro is fried, bro. Oh, dead. My thing is though, like, what was he thinking? Did he think did he think he was gonna stop the train, or was he hoping like, oh yeah, this is the end of the train? I'm about to bust this right, cut right through. They ain't gonna get me. Boom! Like, man, what? You know what I'm saying? Oh man.
No practice on the trains that are damn
Copy, thank you.
Bro is fried. Oh god. He ain't even saying nothing. He just gave up. He ain't even saying nothing or nothing. He's just done. Lord.
do you have a key to your car?
I was just done. What? Where'd he go? Bro just disappeared. You know what I'm saying? Wow, that's crazy. Y'all, we gonna fast forward though. We gonna fast forward because they just walking. They ain't gonna question them or nothing. I wanna see. Oh, I wanted to watch that video too. Georgia State Trooper, stolen work van. I wanted to watch that video too. We gonna watch that one next. Know what I'm saying, man? Y'all, let me know y'all feel about this video, man. Actually, hold on. We gotta see this one more time. Hold on. Y'all thought that was the end. I thought it was the end too. Know what I'm saying? Hold on. We gotta watch Impact one more time. Impact one more time. Hold on. I don't know what to say. That's just unexplainable. He had to be on dope or something, bro. Y'all, let me know y'all feel about this video, man. WL, man. You hear me, man? Like, comment, subscribe. Share the video, man. Smash that bell. You hear me, man? I'm going to song with y'all, man.